Hi, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. My name is Evangelist Maria. I've come here today on behalf of Glory Step Initiative Charity Organization. As a privilege, I'm one of the board member. Yes, but before I proceed, I would like to give you some small exhortation about giving. And the topic say, no one has ever become poor by giving, by Anne Frank. So what is it trying to say? It's trying to say that helping one another is part of our nature. Helping one another is part of our nature. You need it, I need it, we need to experience it also. You see, helping is a giving. Helping or giving is not only good for them, for the people that you are giving, also good for us also too. When you give, you feel good. Yes, it connects us to people, to relation, it creates a stronger relationship, connect us to the community, and so on. So it is very important to give. Giving also creating stronger community. When you go to a community that people are concerned about each other, you will see the atmosphere of love and caring. It builds happier community also. Yes, giving. You need it, I need it. In one way, it might be one way or another. Giving is caring, giving is loving. So both of us need it. Nobody can say that he doesn't need somebody to assist him or somebody to help him. It depends on the situation and at that moment. Sometimes giving is not only about the money. It's not all about the money. It might be also include our time, our ideas, our resources, our energy. All these things are treasure. They are gold to someone. For other people, it might not be a treasure, but for some people, it's a treasure. You know, our single words can give life, can give smile to people, can, and even our resources, our kindness, our concern, might give somebody hope, give somebody life again. So it is very, very important for you and me to learn how to give. It is very important. It's not because they need. No. Sometimes it brings us together, like as a human being, as a person. No. So what am I trying to say? Our care, our skill, our attention sometimes is much better than the financial gift. For example, there are many rich people in the society today, but even though they have money, they don't have that love, they don't have that concern. People don't pay them attention. So they will live unhappy life. What makes us as human beings is that giving, bringing us together, that connection. So therefore, giving, what am I trying to say? Giving and assisting others make us happy. We need to try it because it's practical. It's practical things that we need to experience. It's practical things. If you don't experience it, you can't. If you don't practice it, you can't experience it. If you want to feel good, there is a saying that if you want to feel good, do good. You try to do good. Let's see. Let's practice it. Let's see how it goes. Doing things to others, whether small, whether big, whether unplanned, whether voluntary, they are all powerful tools that boost our happiness. It boosts our happiness, it boosts the happiness of others in our society. We want a better society, we should learn how to give, to pay attention, how to be concerned to others. It might not be that you have 100%, but it is good to share. It doesn't matter the age, the race, the gender, Friends give to us, colleagues give to us, we give to colleagues, parents give to us. It can be, everybody give to each other. Family give, parents give to their children, children give to their parents in one way or the other because it is part of us. It is part of our nature. Whether they are near, whether they are far away country, it is all you are giving can travel. Do you remember the three wise men when they went to visit, according to historical in the Bible, when they hear about Jesus Christ did not tell them that he needed something, or Mary or Joseph, but when they went to visit him, they take a gift, three type of gifts to Jesus Christ. Is trying to pass us a message also. The person might not ask, the person might not be in need, but that cordial that kindness in you as a woman can also make you to give to someone. Huh? So what am I trying to say? Giving is not just about because the person needs, or you are rich or you are poor. No, it's not all about it. Therefore, what am I trying to say? There is a saying that say that when we make a living, we say there's a saying that say we make a living by what we get, but we make life by what we give. You want to make life, you want to be happy in life, learn to give. You want to have long life, you want to be healthier, physical, spiritual, learn how to give, which means you are trying to connect people, you are trying to be who you are as a person. So what am I trying to say? No, it make us, it bring us that connection, that oneness as a human being. So this is the exhortation I've come to give you today about giving. Especially when you look around, Christmas season is coming. It doesn't mean that we should give only seasonal. No, it depends on the situation, the environment, the factors behind it. Giving is not seasonal. So, but in all, majority of us will give during Easter, Christmas, or whatever it is. No, it is not seasonal. But in all, what am I trying to say today is that because Glory Step Initiative Charity is a new organization that is beginning to grow, and we need you to help us to grow. Without you, we cannot grow. So we are preparing this season to come to help the needy, to help the needy, to bless the needy wherever they are. It doesn't matter the race, the color, or the gender, whatever it is. To bless them. And we want you to be part of this trend, this giving nature, this organization, so that we all can grow, so that we all may be concerned, so that we all can build a greater society, a good community with caring and love. In all, coming to conclusion, I'm going to give you more details before maybe next week. I'm going to give you more details how we're going to do it. It's going to be like maybe a competition. Then you might be the winner. Then who knows? It might be your loved one, somebody around you. But in all, we want to give. We want to give. We want to bless. We want to give some people. Especially in Africa, specifically in Africa, So, but we're going to give you details by next week, we're going to give you details. All we are asking that, please, we need you to build a stronger community, a stronger country, a stronger Africa. In all, we need you. And when we come together, we'll make life more easier for those who are in need, not only those who are in need. Some people might have everything, but they still need somebody skilled, they still need somebody compassion, they still need somebody kindness. In all, we are talking about giving here. So this is it. Thank you for following me up. As we keep updating, please follow us. So remain blessed. Good day. Bye. Thank you. Once again, Evangelist Maria. See you again.